YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with Pentair's creepy crawly Little Rebel. This is a suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. We're gonna tear into this and show you guys how to do some quick fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So today again we have some quick fix videos for you on Pentair's creepy crawly Little Rebel suction side pool cleaner. This is the above ground version. Most of you guys are probably familiar with the regular size Rebel, which if you've seen some of our videos in the past is just a bluer version of the Warrior that we typically do a lot of repairs on. But for the Little Rebel, it is much more shrunken down, just because typically with above ground pools you're not dealing with the same kind of volume as you are with in-ground pools, so you don't quite need such a beefy cleaner. But it is still a really good cleaner. As you guys can see on the bottom here, it does have a really good sized orifice similar to its counterpart, the Rebel or the Warrior, so it will pick up some good sized debris. But today we're just going to show you a quick fix video on how to get the top off here and get access into all of the internals. So if you're familiar with the cleaner, you guys can see that it actually does have a buckle clip right here on the front of the cleaner. That's how you're going to know which is going to be the front, is the side with the buckle. So you're looking at my left over here and my right on this side, determining this to be the front of the cleaner. So in order to get it off, it's really simple. You kind of want to put a little bit of pressure at the bottom end of the clip. It just kind of helps alleviate, so you're not trying to use so much force on your finger up here at the top. So as you push, it'll actually kind of loosen it, because the clip itself actually has like recessed little teeth that'll actually come in here and grab this top shroud. So once you get that buckle pulled back, all you're going to do is simply lift up on this light blue side. It does have like a little handle here on the back. You never want to carry the cleaner from any sort of handle. Always grab it with two hands and lift it up. You don't want to take a chance of breaking anything. So don't actually consider this to be a handle, but to get everything off, it's just a little bit easier to kind of help wiggle free. There are two clips located on this back side of the cleaner. As you guys can see, the blue comes below into the bottom frame. So when you lift, you do have to lift from the clip side. So you're gonna just kind of wiggle it, lift it up, it'll release from those clips, and then you're just gonna pull the top shroud off, and here you go. You got access to all the internals of the cleaner, and from here, if you have some little dirt and debris, you guys can actually kind of blow the cleaner out and try to get it all back to factory standards, as well as take a look at a lot of the parts to see what kind of wear and tear you're dealing with. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a full playlist on tearing apart this cleaner from the outside in. This will be step one for us, is just showing you guys how to get this top shroud off. So once the top shroud's off, then we can actually start to get to all the working parts of the cleaner. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of the ones we got coming your way. Kyle with ePoolSupply. See you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.